everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today I got my Sephora goodies and I thought that we would kind of go through my little mini haul here, and then I will be doing another video where I'm actually using the products. But I just wanted to share with you what I picked up at the sale because I know we've got a few more days. So I ended up picking up the Amore Pacific Essence. And as I said, I am a fan of the Essence Step. I think it really plumps up your skin and gives you a lot of nice hydration. The reason I wanted to try this one was first because you guys, many of you told me that yes, it's absolutely worth the splurge, but also because this one is loaded with a bunch of antioxidants. I love Renee from Gothamista. Number one, her skin is gold. But she has raved about this particular essence, and then you guys raved about it as well. So I wanted to go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to go ahead and use this, you guys, for a little bit, and then I'll give you a little report about what I think about it. So far, I have tried the SK2. I bought several bottles of that in the past. I have used the Tata Harper Brightening Essence. I have used Tatcha Plumping Essence, as well as Caudalie, and there's one more, the La Mer Treatment Lotion. So I was due for a little change up and have heard so many great things about this guy. So I will keep you posted, but yes, I did splurge. You guys, I have been excited about this Guerlain L'Essential Natural Glow Foundation. I will be doing a whole review on this guy. I know Penny from Pensmith Skincare, she really enjoys this. And then I thought what I would also do is do a review of both that Per Gold one with this one to kind of show you the differences. So I am excited about this, and I got it in 02 in light, hoping that the color is a good match for me. Let me look. Ooh, it may be a teeny bit light, so we shall see. But I have heard a lot of great things, and this has been around for a while. For those of you who live in Canada and over in Europe, you guys have been telling me, ooh, I think you'll like this one. So I'm excited to check that out. Here is 02 in, and you guys, we will see how that works out. For me, I heard that they oxidize just a little bit. So I'll do a full review on that. The bottle, of course, is super adorable and cute. Okay, then I picked up the Rowan Pallets. I've been super excited to give these a try. As I said, I really like Nikki DeRoste. I'm saying her name wrong, but Nikki basically. I've been watching her YouTube for a long time, and I've been curious to try out her products. So I was so excited when I saw them at Sephora, and I have it in both the warm and the cool palette. And then I went ahead and bought her brush because why not? I heard that it was also nice. So that's exciting. Let's take a quick peek at the beauty of these. It comes in a nice little pouch, you guys. So very nice and luxurious. And then let's go. So it comes in this beautiful case. And then let's take a peek at these shades here. So here is the beauty. I'm gonna do a little swatch for you. Oh, okay, so this is really interesting, you guys. These are creamy. I thought they were a dry formulation. I'm gonna do a little swatch. Here is this beautiful kind of champagne oyster, that purple amethyst color, this gorgeous taupe. And wow, look at this blue. You guys, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is very interesting because I thought these were a dry formulation. So now I'm even more excited to try. Let's check out, this is the one in 52. Cool palette. Let's check out the warm palette. This one is in 75. Ow. Really pretty. Okay, here's these shades. Of course, this looks exactly like my normal kind of shades that I love. So I was kind of hesitant to buy this just because I feel like I have these colors. But now that I have checked out the formulation, I'm not as sad because honestly, these are like a creamy, it's very interesting. So I'm gonna put this guy on my hand. And right off, you guys, one thing I will tell you is the Cool palette was coming, the swatches were easier to swatch. So in this Warm palette, oh wow. Okay, you guys, here is the shades in the Warm palette. Again, beautiful gold color. And then we've got kind of a lighter taupey shade here, or I would say kind of an amber, and then a warm sparkly bronze shade. And then this is kind of reminding me of my favorite Golden Peach from Tom Ford. So super pretty. We shall see. Let's open up this little brush. This brush is really nice and dense, and it looks like it is going to be perfect for those kind of cream shadows. I love the part of this smudger under here. So maybe we should play just a little bit. I already have on my Exaggerize from Charlotte Tilbury that I absolutely love. And you guys, I am wearing the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation. I'm not really liking it, you guys. It's kind of breaking up all over. I know, I'm bummed out. But let me just take a little bit of this warm shadow here, and let's just play for a minute. I know I'm adding on top, but let's just kind of play with this brush. I'm just gonna take this because I think it might be fine. Those are really unique and pretty. I'm gonna be curious to see what the longevity of these eyeshadows are gonna be because they're so creamy. And then, you know what, I'm gonna take a little bit of this darker one down here with this smudger brush. And let's just put a little bit underneath. I'm gonna actually take that fun blue color. Let's just play a little bit. I've already got a lot of makeup. Let's take this little blue color over here, you guys, and let's add a little bit of that to my under eye here. It's kind of like glittery, but in a pretty way. I'm gonna put a little bit on the top. Ooh, you guys, I really love this blue. I'm gonna bring you up a little bit close, guys. Just wanna show you that cool little blue eyeliner. That is so pretty. I'm just wanting to go ahead and put on the purple. Okay, I promise I will do a whole look with this. But okay, I'm excited because I was kind of on the fence about these Rowan, like not super excited about them. And then I just want to show you one thing is as they're laying on my hand here, they're coming with the most beautiful sheen, okay? So one thing I'm thinking is that they're just really pretty, kind of a gloss for the eyes. So I will do a full video. We'll do both kind of sets of those, but so far I have to say, super excited. Okay, you guys, I think that is actually it in what I ordered. And then okay, you guys, that is my mini Sephora haul. And as usual, you guys, I will give you an update on these products, what I think of them. I'm super excited to try out this essence. Heard so many awesome reviews on that. So I will keep you posted on that. And as always, you guys, if there's any last minute items that I must pick up, let me know. But I've got a lot of fun videos coming for you, as well as some other products that were not at Sephora. So thank you so much for watching.